different part. This is the old one. Hey everyone, I got here is a BLACK+DECKER, or it used to be BLACK+DECKER. Now this is BLACK+DECKER 2-tool combo kit. It's a drill driver and a 1/4" hex impact driver. And most households only have this drill driver. This one comes with a impact driver. Before I used to just use the drill driver, and since I got one of the impact driver, I've been using this more because I like to be screwing around. So if you like screwing around, get an impact driver. Right, let's open this up. So I got this thing for at Walmart for $40. And here's the impact driver. Normally if you buy them separately, they're kind of pricey. And this combo is only $40, so I went ahead and bought it. Here's the drill driver. And the impact driver. Comes with a case and a picture. I thought it was plastic, but it's made out of nylon. Let's see. And manual for each of the drills. This is for the impact driver manual and the drill driver manual. They both uses the same battery, 20-volt max, and charger and the battery. This one should have a little bit of charge, so I'm gonna plug it in. And it comes with a bit. You can use either impact driver. Just push this up, slide it down, and it locks easy. Does it come up? This one you can have to loosen the chuck. It should have a little bit charge. Let's try it. Yeah, here's a charge. So this is a brush drill. You see the spark in there? So this is brush drill. That works. To remove, you push this thing. This one works too. And they both brush. See the sparks? Alright, let me I gotta charge this battery first before I start testing it with a start screwing some screws. So this is the charger. It's easy, you just slide it in here, and we'll plug this in. Alright, that's charging. I got some battery from my other drill, and let me grab my other drill and do a comparison, and the battery should fit with the other drill that I have. Another Black & Decker or +Decker. Everyone, here's my other drill. It's an older one. It uses a lithium 1. Amp hour battery with 20-volt max. It's the same battery that came with the new one. And let's compare the drill drivers. This new one is looks smaller. And I'm gonna do is let's change. See if it works with the older battery. It should fit. Oh, maybe not. That would suck if it doesn't fit. Well, the reason I bought this so I can use the older batteries. Oh, it does. So you can use the older battery from the old drill. They're interchangeable, which is good. So I'm gonna charge this one too, and let's do a test between this one and the older one, and the impact driver. Alright, let me charge them, and once they're done charging, then let's start screwing around. Alright, we're gonna test it now. This is my old drill. Uses the same battery as the new one. This is the new drill. Much smaller than the old one. This is the impact driver. It's about the same size as my old boss stitch over here. We're gonna compare these two, and let's see how they drill this screw into this American oak wood. I'm gonna start with the impact driver, the Black & Decker one. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one, the Black & Decker one. To put this on, you just push it in. Okay, push. Okay, let's start it. Get started. Let's see. Got my stopwatch. Not gonna be accurate. Let's see. Ten seconds. Now try with the postage one. Now try the boss stitch one. See. Try that again. Whoa. Let's try that again, third time. I'm failing on this one, so let's see. That didn't get. That's about what? 20 seconds? Now take this out. Try it again. Try the boss touch again. Different location. Ah, forgot to time it. Duh. Anyway, I just gonna put the timer on the thing itself. I'm gonna put the timer on the cam when I edit this video. Now try the BLACK+DECKER again. Shit. Now to be fair, it's the hard part. We hit the hard part of the wood, so it takes longer. Picking it up. Let's see. Now we're gonna try the regular drill. Use a new screw bit. New screw. And we're gonna use the battery. This is the new drill that I got. I doubt that I will be able to drill here. To drive the screw here, but we'll see. This is the soft part over here. Let's see if we can do it. Go. It's wobbly. It's wobbling. Put it to 10. All right. About 30 seconds. Now taking it out. Let's see if we can pick it up. Cannot pick it up. So you're gonna have to use an impact driver to take it up. See? Now try my old, I'm gonna try the old drill driver. New screw. We'll see. I have to put a lot of effort into it, but hey, look, they didn't. Not too bad. The old one's better. See if you can remove it, and you can. Let's try that again. A different part. This is the old one. little wobbly. Pretty good. Taking it out. Again, this is the old one. Now we try the new one. Again. Out. This thing has a hard time taking it up. Put it on 1. Nope. 10. Can't take it up. But use the old one. Can take. So the new one, the new drill that comes with a bundle is a little weaker. This one goes up to 22. You can see it. And let's see if we can put it on drill. See if we can take it off. Just drive this back in. Put it on drill. I put it on drill, see if we can take it out. Oh. So if you put it on drill, it takes it up. Alright, then switch this to drill. Take it out. If you put it here, you won't be able to take it out. Any of these numbers here, you won't be able to. You have to put it on drill to take it out. Alright, this is the Black & Decker combo. It works. It's good for not like heavy duty work, but it's fine. It's fine for home. This is good for just regular drilling on the drywall and stuff, putting nails on the, putting screws on the stud. But when you're using the impact driver, you gotta be careful because it's very, it's very strong, so you might damage whatever you're putting the nails on. The screw on. So whatever you're screwing, you're careful because it's very, it's more powerful than this one. So, all right, that's it. The impact driver and the drill driver. Thank you for watching. This is the Black & Decker drill driver and impact combo. It's good for home use. Just be careful with this one because this is strong. You might damage whatever you're screwing. Whatever. If you have a delicate, you have to screw something that's delicate, it might rip the bottom if it goes all the way out. So be careful with this one. This is good. This is good. Better for screwing a lot of stuff into drywall. This is very good. It's really fast. Right? That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.